how to drill a straight hole with an Erbauer drill. So we have our drill bit, and what a lot of people try and do is get over the top of it. However, what you'll find is that they'll either be this way or this way when they come to drill, because no matter how over the top you get, you seem to always be off, and that's always a beginner's mistake. As you get more experience, you'll feel how the drill feels in your hand and how it looks, so how straight the actual drill bit is. However, whilst you're learning, I always recommend getting a drill guide like this. Now what happens here, you put the drill through the correct size hole, and this doesn't allow the drill to wander off in any direction. And then you just simply drill, and your drill will be perfectly straight. You can get these in multiple sizes to suit your drill bit size. However, one of these will keep your drill straight, and that's how easy it is to drill a straight hole with an Erbauer drill. If you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.